What if the secret to ultimate vitality lies in an ancient remedy? Meet Ormus Manna Gold, a transformative elixir crafted from essential trace minerals that modern diets have stripped away. It's not just a supplement, it's a journey back to wholeness. Imagine replenishing your body with the nutrients it craves, awakening your highest potential and returning to a state of harmony. Ormus Manna Gold supports optimal mineral absorption, revitalizing you from the inside out. Feel the surge of natural energy, boost your immunity, sharpen your mental clarity. Many users report heightened intuition, deeper meditation, and a profound connection to the universe. For centuries, alchemists have revered Ormus as a substance of transformation. Now it's your turn to unlock this ancient secret, reclaim your health, awaken your true essence, and embrace the extraordinary with Ormus Manna Gold. Are you ready to unlock your vital potential? Try Ormus Manna Gold today and transform your life.